Okay, in first internal, we have provided the numerical to solve with respect to the transportation problem using a northwest corner method. Then another one is the WAM method. Okay, here in this problem, the supply and the demand, okay, both are equal. Then there is no problem at all. If the supply and demands are not equal, then what you need to do? You need to add the dummy row or column based on what you are going to compensate. For that, you have to consider the zero transportation cost. Okay, this numerical I have discussed after your internal in one class. Okay, that document also I have said. Once you can go through the same. Okay, here with respect to your second internal. Okay, the whatever initial basic solution you are going to get by the use of Newton-Raphson method or the least count method or by the VA method, because these three methods are there as per your syllabus. Okay, then solution you are getting the transportation cost, for example, 210 rupees. Okay, is this transportation cost what you got is optimum or not? That you have to identify the optimal solution. To do that optimal solution, Modi method will be used. Modi method is nothing but modified distribution method in order to make the actual evaluation of the transportation cost. All of listening, Meena, raise your hand. Only two are responding. Okay, I have shared this link a2zmath.com. Okay, if you have, then you can go through the same. All the numerical what are to be there, those all type of numerical solutions are having step-by-step solution. Okay, make use of this for your preparation point of view. Then I need to discuss with respect to the Modi method. Okay, here the optimal solution by Modi method. Okay, here one solution already there, 11, 13, 17, 14, then 250, then 16, 18, 14, 10, 300, 21, 24, 13, 10, 400. Okay, corresponds to that of the supply and the demand. Okay, this is also be there here. Okay, same numerical. Okay, if you have entered all these values, then you need to go for find. Then step-by-step evaluation will be present. Okay, this is the best tool. Okay, how the evaluation to be taking place. Okay, in the same fashion, I did by the use of Excel. Okay, that recording of the classes are available. Once you can go through the same. Okay, one example I am considering. Okay, with respect to that example, how we are going to delete with respect to that particular row and the particular column based on the supply and demands are becoming into zero. Okay, by the making evaluation of what? Penalty. Okay, this class complete recording is available. Once you can go through the same. But what I did here, by making this evaluation, we are getting the final solution. Okay, for this particular exam. But how you are going to write with respect to this particular example is has been explained here. VAM method. This is removed, this is removed. Then how we are going to get the values. Next step you want means you have to click this. Then you have to wait for a time. Then you will get that solution. Okay, not only for this transportation, all the type of numerical you can get the solution from it by step-by-step solution. All individual data Then along with that description. Make use of this link to understand this transportation numericals itself. Okay, any data, any numerical you can give here, then you will get the solution. Is this clear? Okay, similar to that, the other types of numerical you can go through the same. Okay, because this Modi method is get included in your internal. Okay, there is no restrictions to follow the VAM. If you are familiar with Newton, that is a northwest corner method, you can follow that. Otherwise, least count. But there will be a probability of the optimal solution getting from those two methods is not quite good. But if you have used this Vogel's approximation method, VAM, then whatever the solution you are going to get is optimal and which is to be easily get satisfied with Modi method. That will be possible by the make use of the row penalty and the column penalty. Is this clear? Anybody having any doubt? All of listening, Meena, raise your hand. Okay, here we are finding the UI and Vj. Okay, according to that the equation. Okay, whatever method I have followed, same method which is to be there. Okay, once you got the solution, then you are going to define all these values. Okay, this is the best tool. Okay, for to get the step-by-step solution, you can follow. Okay, every solution will not be available, but quite many are available. Follow that method. Okay, this is whatever the solution you are getting by the use of VAM. Okay, then whatever the solution you are getting here, that is by the use of modified distribution method. Here, the whatever the value you are going to get, this should be equal to that of the VAM method. Here, 12,075. Then there also you are getting the 12,075. It means that whatever solution you have done is optimal. If it not came, not optimal. That's it. Okay, once again, you don't make the evaluation of the new transportation cost. Not at all be required. Because the sum numerical, they might be get provided in that if whatever method you are following, if the equal transportation costs are to be present during moment, the whatever the penalty you are getting is might be equal to each other also. Okay, obviously the whatever you are going to assume will not satisfy with respect to that of the requirement. Then obviously what you are going to get the transportation cost might be higher. Okay, then also which is not optimal. Keep this in mind. Okay, practice the both method. Then according to that, you need to get the solution. Okay, this is also part of your internal. If you are getting any doubt, okay, if you have any question with respect to this, you can ask.